Good morning. My topic is all about Prince Harry and myself, the walk of life. Yesterday, I just confronted my husband, Prince Harry of Wales. If he is still serious with his life and the corresponding resolution of the controversy, he just replied to me, "Please understand my own walk of life." I understood Prince Harry and I have got married since 2016 to fulfill the divine prophecy of our succession. He had went through a lot. His life had been tossed down, had suffered multiple injuries, emotional wounds, and spiritual awakening just because he's been involved deeply with my royal transformation. Please note, though, Prince Harry had been switched by impostor since 2015, from the time he left UK to Afghanistan military deployment, dated June 20, 2015, up to this date of February 2026. The fraud impersonation began 1 year before he and myself had met in Facebook. On 22nd March 2016, in 22nd March 2016, in doing so, the royal family covered up heavily a real life story up to this moment, covered up by Epstein case using sacrificial prominent celebrities like President Donald Trump, former President US President Bill Clinton, and Prince Andrew. They purposely manufactured fraud hearing of FBI to divert the news, avoiding my personal case and my husband's failed assassination plot. For the past 10 years of my investigation journey, I've thought this story was about Prince Harry, only to find out it's all about me, my solo royal inheritance. I am the heroine, the leading main character of the story. My journey has been so difficult, but because God ordered me to perform this kind of chairwomanship job, I have had to obey Him, no matter how tiring and exhausting it was. Every day, I was just barely managing, experiencing myself the restlessness, the discomforts, and the sleeplessness. There were times that I've just cried just because I couldn't figure out what kind of resolution to make. I had no support, no friend to boosts my morale, to help me and my financial needs. The real walk of life, nothing was easy nor comfortable. But there is hope. There is the resolution as long as we continue and persevering to finish the process. God has been always the one directing me, guiding me, and freeing me of the proper path. We are just both grateful to God that we are both still alive to be able to witness together the end results of our sacrifices made and endured together. So let's just wait for the next thing to do. I just don't know. But I hope Prince Harry will come up with his own resolution as soon as possible.